Hi everyone, welcome to the Breast Open Capsulotomy with Saline-Filled Implant Exchange, Risks and Complications page. I'm Dr. Colin Hong and I'd like to take a moment to help you understand some important information about this procedure. Breast Open Capsulotomy with Saline Implant Exchange is often performed to improve comfort and aesthetics when scar tissue has formed around older implants. Many patients experience great results, but like any surgery, there are potential risks and complications you should be aware of. Here are some of the risks summarized for you. Implant rupture or deflation, capsular contracture, internal scarring that can make the breast feel hard or look misshapen, implant extrusion or visibility through the skin, wrinkling, rippling or asymmetry, infection or delayed healing, changes in nipple or skin sensation, bleeding or fluid accumulation, scarring or firmness, anesthesia risks, need for future surgery. These aren't meant to alarm you, they're simply here to ensure that you're fully informed. Many women are happy with their results and feel more confident after surgery, but it's essential to do your due diligence and weigh the benefits and risks carefully. Please read through this entire page and don't skip the detailed information on our informed consent page. If you have any questions or concerns, I strongly encourage you to speak with me or my qualified staff. We're here to guide you through this process and ensure your safety and satisfaction every step of the way.